Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I mostly post makeup and beauty related content, but I was sitting filming a full face of Love Revolution and the door went and it is my Geekgear Wizardry special edition box. So I thought I would just film it and just see if any of you guys are interested. I don't know if any of you are Harry Potter fans like I am, so I just thought it might be something fun and something different to do. Now, I've been getting this box every 2 months for the last, I would say about a year. I can't remember how much it costs. I will put it on the screen. But what I have recently done is swap my subscription to the wearable one where you get kind of more like t-shirts and stuff. So the next one that I do these, if you're interested in making and doing these, it'll be a couple of months because I paused my subscription, so it will be the kind of wearable one. But this is just like a subscription box. It's full of Harry Potter stuff. Yeah, I get a t-shirt size medium, a ladies medium. What's that lion doing? I get a ladies medium. Now I will say they are small made. Like, I mean, I have put on a bit of weight recently, but the medium is a wee bit neat on me. Normally I would be like a small, so just that line. Sorry, the sun's decided to come out, so yeah, so just bear that in mind with your size and like maybe size up rather than down. But you normally get kind of 2 t-shirts, you get a wand, you get all sorts of stuff. So let's just start, and this is a long sleeve t-shirt. This feels good quality, this feels nice and thick. And this is Cyrus, the dog star, the brightest star in the sky, almost twice as bright as Canopus. Now I really like that because that's not like pure obvious Harry Potter, it's just quite nice and quite subtle. I really like that, that's really pretty. It's really pretty. Again, like, see what I mean about them looking quite small. So let's just do the other t-shirt while we're here. And this is a navy one. Oh, this is nice. This one looks tiny, but... And you've got the book with everything flying out. You've got the phoenix. You've got... that's really cool. You've got Hedwig there. Look at that. That's nice. And I do like the navy ones actually because I've got a lot of kind of black ones, and you can specify like your house colour. I don't know if they try and send you t-shirts, but I just put any. So that is that one. That is really nice. Again, like, it's Harry Potter, but it's not like pure in your face Harry Potter. And then we have, so you usually get like artwork and stuff as well. So this is the box that you get the ones with. I've got a 3-year-old, so these boxes never last long. But what ones do we have in this one? I do like getting the ones. I will actually miss getting the ones when I get the wearable one. So this wand is the Anthozoa wand, driftwood, deep sea ruby, and length 33.5 inches. And this is what the wand looks like. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's got this kind of shell on the end, and then it's kind of like the driftwoods. How cool is that wand? I really like that one, and it feels like a good weight. Like, I keep meaning to get, like, you can get these wand stands that you can like store your wands on. Oh, that's cute. And then we have got a wee butterbeer pin. I've actually got a Harry Potter backpack, and I might actually put these pins on it because I do have some other ones lying about. So that is that one. That is really, really cool. Really cute. And then I have a wee box. What's in here? You do get a leaflet telling you what's in, but I think part of the fun is finding stuff yourself. Oh, there's 2 things, right? So, you get this, right? And then you get these bits. Oh, it's measuring scales. Yeah, it's the measuring scales. That is quite cool. I'm a terrible Harry Potter fan and I can't actually remember what the measuring scales are out of. Aye, the Wizardry Bank gold scale. That is quite cute. Do you know, I could maybe do like my background here, like some of my Harry Potter stuff. That'd be cute. I've got a shelf in my living room, like above all my books and above the mantises. It's got some Harry Potter stuff sitting on it. Next we have another gold coin. So I've got one of these already and my son absolutely loves it. So this one looks like this. That's cool. I like getting those coins. You get a scratch card, which I'll do in a minute. And then you also get a poster, some sort of artwork in every one. I was gutted, I got one before that was my favourite. And it was like in a glass frame and my son totally wrecked it. But I've had other ones, it's like a map of the Fantastic Beasts world and stuff like. So what's this poster? Okay, so that, I mean this one isn't my favourite but it's still nice to have. To be honest, I never ever hang posters up like I really do need to find somewhere to hang them up. So that's it. Sometimes you get like mugs and stuff as well. I like it when you get a mug. So let's just do this scratch card. Maybe I've won some money. I think I've won some. Ah, it's just 10% off your next renewal. I've won, so I mean that's 10%, 10%. So yeah, that was a decent box. I will say some of them are better than others. Like some months I get them and I'm just like, oh, like. But then other months this is quite cool. I think my favourite thing is these wee scales. Like these are so cute. I do like the one from this month. So yeah, they are like, part of me does think, are they a waste of money? But then at the same time, I really enjoy getting them. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want me to keep doing these kind of Harry Potter box unboxings, then also just let me know, because I know it is something a bit different for my channel. So do let me know if you like it. And please subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks for watching. Bye.